Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial how to make a 3D cube jumping game. First, you need to click this create new, and then click the new 3D game. Here, create 3D game, and then your screen will like this. This is the first screen. So you need to do is ground. Click the ground here, and then change the grass into no ground. Okay, and then click this cube, change the scale into maybe like 0.001. wait 0.001, like that, and then you change the position y into 0.01. okay, what is it? Okay, now change the z scale maybe into 8, no, 6, no, wait, I'll use this scale tool. Okay, drag into here. Okay, 4, and then the x one is 2, so x2, y is 0.01, and z is 4. okay, oh sorry, y is 0.001. okay, now click this cube here in the asset, and then change the name into ground. And then change the collision group into platform, and change the basic into static. Okay, you can add the color here, 3D model, and then change the color, maybe like orange, and then you can add the player. So you need 2 cubes, the first one for the player and the second one for the debris explosion. Okay, click the first white cube into the character, and then you can change the name into player and change the collision group into character. Okay, now you can add the cube, just drag it here, and then you need to change the scale into 0.03, or maybe 0.3, and then 0.3 and 0.3. okay, like that, and then change the position into 0. y is 0.4, I think, or maybe 0.5. wait, I check it first. No, 0.4. okay, and then change the z into 0. okay, now you can change the color here, 3D model, and then change the color into maybe black or red. Okay, I like red. And then you can add the enemy. Here there is enemy. You can use smart asset, or you can add cone for the spike. Okay, add to library. Okay, and then you duplicate this. First click, and then click D, and then change the name, up to you. Here I name it P2 or part 2. Okay, and then delete this character and change into cone like this. Okay, change the position X into 0, Z 0, and Y is 1 or 2 maybe. But first you need to change the scale. 0.3, 0.3, and 0.3. Okay, and then change the position into 0.4, 0.3. Okay, 0.3. Check the start to 0.3. Okay, so all of the character and the enemy is 0.3. Okay, and then you click here, click in the library and change the cone into enemy, and then change the collision group into enemy, change the basic into static. Okay, cube here, change the basic into dynamic. Okay, default. And then you can add color like here, wait, 3D model here, color maybe like red or black, brown. Okay, or I like red. Okay, this is red and this is the character. Okay, now you can add the smart asset like using point, like atom point, coin, or diamond. Here I want to use coin. Okay, like that. And then you can add the coin into the enemy, on the enemy. X is 0, Z is 0, and Y is 1, maybe 2, no, 1.5, like that. No, too high. 1.2. Okay, 1.2. Okay, and then you can change the camera. First you need to click the camera and change the position follow into character, and then change the position camera. Click this camera and then you can zoom in, zoom out, or change the position. Okay, like this, and then click the camera again, and then you add the code into the cube. The first one is maybe move, and then jump, and then here control and click the touch, and then if collide, event, defeat, delay, and debris, explosion. Okay, now we can start connecting the code. The first one is move. Okay, created and enabled. The speed X is known, Y is known, and Z is 5. And then you can add jump, but first you need to add the touch and then jump. Created, enabled, and then if pressed, the character will jump, and if release, do nothing. Okay, the jump is maybe not angular but linear. Change the Y into maybe like 5. Okay, and then if collide, you duplicate it, press D. Okay, created, enabled. If collide platform, and then reset the jump and add the jump limit 2. Okay, and then you can add the second if collide. Created, enabled, change the affected asset into enemy. If collide, defeat, and then debris explosion, explode, and then add the delay with the delay. So if defeat, then delay 1 second, and then out, game over. Okay, so you can try it, the game, like this. The move is minus. Okay, so change the 5 into -5. Okay, like that. The coin, oh, I forgot, the coin, you need to change the collision group into coin. Okay, and then change the gravity. Here in the main map there is a 3D world here, and then change the gravity into -25, like that. And then this debris explosion, you need to use the asset that we have add into the library, this cube. Okay, collision group known, basic dynamic, and then save, and then move -10, 15, and then jump is 10. Okay, now we try. Okay, this game maybe like error. I think I can fix it. Maybe this cube in the start, you need to change the rotation factor into 0. Okay, and then we try again. Can play it. Okay, like this. Debris explosion. Change this into change the name. I forgot to change the name. Here, where is the cube now? The cube is player. Okay, done. So I can play it like that. Okay, then change the total into 10, change the minimum scale 0.1 and maximum scale 0.1. Okay, try it again. Okay, like that. jump is maybe to hike 8 maybe. Okay, what is this? Oh, the player, the collision group of player is character. Okay, okay, like that. Gravity maybe like 30. Okay, try again. Okay, this is the cube jump. Now we can add the 3D World UI and Game Over UI. This is UI screen. Add to UI screen, and then you connect it, load, and change the first UI screen into 3D World. UI screen, and then change the second UI screen into Game Over UI screen. Okay, double click the 3D World UI screen. First one is add the event observer. Place wherever you want, and then change event type Game Over. Okay, and then you add the default font right here, and then change the size, change the function into score, score type coin, amount is current. Okay, like that. So you see, look, there is score here. Okay, and then you can go to back to the mind map, and then connect the event observer with the Game Over UI screen. In the Game Over UI screen, you can add the maybe like picture or PNG of the Game Over, like this. Where is the Game Over? Like this, the Game Over. Add to the image. This is the image, and this is the navigation button. Okay, and then change the position up here. Okay, and then you can add another PNG of replay. You can I like this, and then drag into the navigation button. Okay, this button function is to restart the game. I place it here. Okay, and then function is restart. Okay, so let me check the game. Like this, add 1 coin, and then there is a Game Over, and there is a restart button. So if you click it, the game will restart. Like that. Okay, this is the tutorial of the 3D cube jumping game. I hope you like it, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.